Alright, what's up YouTubers? We are back with the second light in our LED grow off, or budget LED grow off. So the first one we had from Mars Hydro. This one is going to be from a company called Bloom Plus. So this is a BP3000. And so shout out to Bloom Plus. They reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to join in on this grow off, which is awesome. So definitely check out the Growing with Fishes podcast where we talk about it as well. I'll be doing updates on that, which is on the Aquaponic YouTube channel. So definitely check out Steve and his videos. He streams live there, or you can download on your favorite podcast app. So this particular grow light is a BP3000, like I mentioned. It is has a 300 watt actual consumption. When I snooped around on YouTube a little bit already, somebody already had power tested this light, and I think it came in about 296 watts, somewhere in there. So that's pretty consistent. Usually there's a plus or minus on the specs. It's about 5%. So that's good. So just a couple more specs. For veg growth, they say it's good for a 5x5. For flowering growth, they say it's good for a 4x4. So that's the footprint on the light. And yeah, so 300 watts is not bad. It's going to be pretty close to what I'm running right now with the ceramic metal halide lights, which is 330 watts per 4x4. So that it's going to be pretty close. Admittedly, my beds are more like, or because I have beds, it's more like 3x4. So I don't quite get the same width. It's more of a row than a square. Alright, so let's check this thing out. Really well packaged, which is great. So it's all nice. Looks like 2 boards. So go ahead and flip this up here so you guys can check this out. So on the back here we have 2 boards powered by 2 drivers, and here's the front. Not really a lot to it. I'm going to flip this over so I can read it on this side. I know that's going to make it upside down for you guys. So this is a Dunn driver, which I'm not familiar with. A DL150, so I'm guessing 150 each. 150 watts each gives you the 300 total. It does have an adjustment for a dimmer you can have here, but you have to do it with a screwdriver anytime you want to do it, so it's not something that's super easy to adjust. So there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and break here and get a place to plug this in, or an extension cord to plug this in, and then we'll check out what it looks like when we turn it on. And then the next video after that we'll pick up in the grow room after we've got it hung up over the top of some nice fresh plants in the grow room. Alright, so here we go. No.
Oh, sorry.
Stop. Set it back up where you can
shoot.
Yep. Alright, so we got our surge protector hook up over here. We're going to go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like.
Whoa!
Woo!
That is bright.
That is putting out some light. Can't even really look at it directly. You're going to see what that looks like on the camera over here. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is pretty bright.
It's lighting up the entire room.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to unplug it just so I can work.
Maybe we should get some sunglasses.
Do you want to go flip that light back on, please? Alright, so there you go. The Bloom Plus. Overall, really solid light. The this is basically just quantum boards mounted with the drivers mounted right on them, and looks like a piece of stainless, I think. I don't know if it says here. No, it does not. But I am really impressed with the output of this light. It is super bright. So yeah, I'm excited to get this hooked up. We'll definitely check it out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll give you another peek at the back here. There's really not much to it. Again, it does come also with the sort of the standard grill hangers. I've got a whole box of these. You can actually buy these really cheap by the box, and it comes out way cheaper than buying them individually. So I bought a box of like 25 pairs. But they're always great to have. Nice little ratchet hangers that it comes with. Again, these are Dunn drivers, and I'm not familiar with them. But I do know they are the Samsung diodes. It would be sort of like the pretty close to top shelf Samsung diodes, which you can see here all on these boards. And there's definitely two boards, one driver each, 150 each board. And you can check out their other models that they have. So I'm really excited to see what this grows. I've checked out some of the other videos that people have had pretty good success with. So yeah, I think it's going to be tough. It's got, just in comparison to the other light that we have down there, it's twice the output of the Mars Hydro light. So yeah, it's going to be a really good test to see what that is. I'm still hoping to get one more brand in that we might be able to sneak in. But with the flower room going into perpetual flower, we'll be able to start a new LED grow just about any time we want to. We'll just be able, it might be behind some of the other ones, but we can put it in the system and get it started as soon as we get the light in. So I'm going to start these two coming up here this week. Actually, we're filming shortly after midnight, so today is officially my birthday. And I'll probably take tomorrow off, and then we'll probably have Christmas, but shortly after that we'll have the video up of hanging these lights and putting the plants underneath them and getting those plants started in flower. So it's going to be great. I'm really excited. This is definitely, again, big shout out to Bloom Plus for providing this tester light, and look forward to seeing what it can do. Peace.